So to start off this look, I'm going to apply this under eye color corrector, and I'm going to apply this anywhere on my skin that has dark circles or dark spots. Sometimes I get scarring, like if I have a blemish or something like that, so this helps to kind of correct that. Then I'm going to go over that with foundation that actually matches my skin and bounce the beauty blender on my skin in order to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer that is about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin tone and use the pointy part of the beauty blender to blend that out underneath my eyes. Hi you guys, my name is Juliana Mayfield, and I am going to, well, this Christmas, I'm going to make more wearable looks instead of like holiday glam, just something like that you would want to throw on to, I don't know, say go out to Christmas shop or anything like that, last minute holiday shopping. So this is that kind of look, that everyday look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set this with a powder. For my skin tone, I'm going to use a yellow based powder. Some like to use orange based powder, and some like to use clear or white translucent powder. It really depends on your skin tone. Next, I'm going to take this brown matte eyeshadow and apply this very high on my eyelid. Now you can use whatever brown matte eyeshadow you have on hand and what works for you. I'm going to list the links. I'm going to list the specific products that I'm using in this tutorial in the post. So you'll know, but for the general idea of when I'm doing this voiceover for this tutorial, I kind of want to just show you general ideas so that if you have a product or something similar on hand, you can just refer to that and use that and recreate this look if you would like to. Now I'm taking a brush that has nothing on it, just a blending brush that is a dome shape and fluffy and will help to blend out that line. And I'm vigorously going over that line over and over again, going up towards my brow, because the higher I take this brown matte eyeshadow, the larger my eyes are going to look. I personally like to make my eyes look a little bit larger. Now on top of that brown matte eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this kind of satin oat milk eyeshadow color right in the center of my eyelid and just blend out the corners. I like to use the brown underneath this because it'll give it a more wearable everyday look. Without it and using like an eye primer, it's just going to give it a very vibrant, dramatic look, which I wasn't going for. I really wanted to kind of soften out this look and give a more icy look, but still kind of like everyday wearable, throw on a hoodie and a mask and run out to the store. After this, I'm going to apply brown eyeliner underneath, along the waterline, but also underneath my bottom lashes as well. And brown eyeliner also helps to make my eyes very defined without looking very dramatic like black would. Now with a powder puff, I am going to apply the face powder to my skin, all over my skin, that actually matches my skin tone. And I'm going to also apply it on top of that area that I was baking earlier with that light translucent powder. Now along my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply bottom mascara. I'm going to hold my wand vertically to apply all of the mascara on my lashes, and then flip my wand to hold it horizontally to comb it out and make sure that all the lashes are perfectly coated. Now back to my face. I'm going to be honest with you guys, highlighter is such a hard thing for me to apply. It always looks streaky on me, but since I found this application, I like to apply it with my beauty blender, starting in one area and then work my way around that area, kind of like in a little bit of a circular motion. And this helps to blend out the highlighter so that it's not streaky, but there is a lot of payoff. Now I'm going to apply a blush that is close to my skin tone in kind of an orangey coral color, and I'm going to apply this in a circular motion. Using my brush to apply blush in a circular motion, that was a tongue twister, just helps to blend it as I'm applying it. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to apply a lip liner that is close to my skin tone and a lipstick that is the same, and a nice pretty pink mauvish lip gloss. Not a lot of lip gloss, because if I'm wearing a mask, I don't want it to wipe off in the mask. So once I blend that together, that's the finished look, you guys. If you guys enjoyed these voiceover tutorials on Instagram, please let me know in the comments, and I would be more than happy to make more of them for you guys. But let me know if this is something that you're interested in. Until next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.